Hey guys, Nick Joseph, welcome to Code Red Defense. Today we're going to answer common questions, how to palm strike. So, we always teach in the street, I always say I prefer palming than actually punching. It has a better release from a passive stance, a better follow through, and less chances of busting your knuckles. Now a lot of people mistaken slapping for palming. So when you're palming, what you're actually doing is tilting your hand up and striking with this part over here. If I'm going to palm the ear, okay, I'm not going to hit here like this. This would be slapping versus this. You felt the difference? Yeah. You feel the difference with palming, I'm doing this, and slapping, I'm doing that. So you're tilting the hand, you're hitting with this part. So if I was going to come to almost hook, same thing as if I was punching, I would hit here, I would go right into the jaw. If I was to go underneath the jawline, I would pop here or pop the other way, okay? So tilt the hand, and again, best place to palm strike is underneath the jawline. You can go into the ear or the jaw, or another really good strike is right behind the head, this way, okay? So again, the reason why we do it, if you look at, if I'm punching the wall, chances are you could break your knuckles. With palming, I could use a lot more force and less chances of busting my knuckles. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We have a great video on common attacks. All you gotta do is click the link right in the description box and stay safe and stand strong.